So this one is from the bonus moves section of the book, and I'm pretty sure that it was the inspiration for the how to do an invert from a pole sit video. Want to know why? Here we go. It's called the bottle rocket, and basically what we're going to do is the same stuff we did to get into a pole sit or an invert, only we're just going to stay right here, and that's a bottle rocket. Just like that, bottle rocket. And if I was you, I would invert, hook, and bring it around and lower. So there you go, real quick, real short. I'll show it on the other side. I would use this one, honestly. I would use it to get ready to split down the pole or something like that, something like that. But you know what? That's why it stands on its own though, and that's the fun thing about these moves that stand on their own. They you can take them somewhere else, or you can just have them be as they are. And there you have it.